Welcome to 30 Days to Keto. My name is Cuca Moreno. I am a certified integrative nutrition health coach and online instructor. Thank you so much for joining my class. First of all, I want to congratulate you. Just by being here, you've already made an extraordinary commitment to your health and wellness. I have worked so incredibly hard to get to this point that it's actually hard to believe I am now sharing all this content with you. In this course, I'll be sharing with you an all-inclusive and up-to-date guide explaining what you need to know about the ketogenic lifestyle, help you determine the health goals you want to achieve, and formulate the necessary action plans to reach those goals. Some of the things I'm going to show you in this class include a full step-by-step guide detailing all the necessary steps you will be taking for the next 30 days, an accountability guide to help you stay on track from start to finish, how to properly do intermittent fasting, a detox questionnaire to help you find out your body's toxicity levels and toxicity score, a goal worksheet, a fully detailed shopping list with all of the right foods, and a recipe book. All of the material in this class is based on a handful of simple principles that will teach you step by step how to apply the keto lifestyle for maximum health. For the class project, we're going to create a vision board to keep you inspired and well on your way to mastering the ketogenic lifestyle. This class works even better when paired with my other class, the 10-day toxin-free challenge. This class is for those interested in transitioning to keto but never knew how or where to start from. Even if you already follow the keto lifestyle, my goal is to pass on everything I know to make the process more enjoyable and bring your health to the next level. I'll see you in class.